So how did I make $551 trading Apple call options? So this is an old trade this past week, and on 5/13, 12/13, 5/13, 12/13, 5/13, 12/13, 12/13, which is this candle right here. So basically I bought Apple call options on as soon as Apple landed on the 9-day moving average, waited for a for a bounce off the 9-day moving average. Once that bounce came around at 12.50, I sold out the position, and that's how I basically made $551 trading Apple call options. And basically what the goal is that you're trying to, step one, trying to use the moving averages as either support or resistance. Once you find out how the moving averages are, that's where you decide to either play calls or puts. In this case, I decided to play calls due to the fact of how the moving averages looked like on that day of May 13th. So usually how the moving averages look like, so when they look like this, typically this kind of indicates that usually that stock is in a uptrend. It probably won't see any downside that day specifically, but usually when the chart looks like this, look at Apple's example of the moving averages, how they look like. Usually when that particular stock's moving averages look like that for that day, that usually indicates that it's in a bullish trend. And so try to use the moving averages as support or resistance. Try to decide if you're supposed to play calls or puts. For me, I play calls because I was like, okay, pretty much the 9-day moving average is above both the 20 and 50-day moving average. Typically when that occurs, that indicates that it's in a bullish trend for that particular day, and that's what happened. So I was like, okay, let's see if Apple can see a little bit of downside, and if it can use the 9-day moving average as support. That actually happened, and when I sold out the position, right, I made $551 trading Apple call options. And basically try to have your risk tolerance level set in place. So for me personally, I try to sell out the position once it's up either 5 or 10%. And if I'm feeling confident, I'll try to aim for higher percentage targets. But most of the times I try to stick to selling out positions when I'm up either 5 or 10% most of the time. So that's pretty much it. This video is very short because I really don't have much to really talk about really at all. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is not financial advice. As always, take care and bye.